channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you have returned to hang out with me here on YouTube, I truly appreciate it. As you can see from the title, Sephora is having a summer sale. The sale begins on the 19th and runs until the 27th. The VIB ROUGE's get to shop one extra day. So we shop from the 19th to the 27th. And the VIBs shop from the 20th to the 27th. So I have a few recommendations that I want to share with you. Not a whole lot. I do have some skincare and of course some makeup. Some of the skincare I did mention before in my Sephora fall haul, but a couple of those things I got in gift sets, and I got around to trying them just a couple of months ago, and I wanted to mention them to you and kind of give you an update on those and recommend them. So I'm gonna quit yapping. We're gonna get started. The first thing is this Peter Thomas Roth anti-aging cleansing gel. This is my second mini of this. I used it when I was like having a staycation. It's when I did my skincare routine, and I found that when I got home I was using other cleansers, and I remembered that, you know what, I really like that. So I highly recommend this. It's oil free. It has salicylic acid and hyaluronic acid, and it also has peach, white oak, lemon, and other fruits. The next thing is this SK2 essence. It's a facial treatment essence, and it helps with dullness, dryness, and helps to provide radiance to your skin. It is a little pricey, but if you check a Sephora site, they do have a set where you get this 2.5 ounce bottle of the essence, and you also get their lotion and a mask for the same amount of this, which is $99. The next product I want to talk to you about is the Connelly Vino Perfect Radiant Serum. It is a complexion correcting serum. This is I'm just starting off on my second bottle of this. I really enjoyed it. I had a couple of the deluxe size samples that I got in Sephora Play, and that I also used per points to get before I got the first full-size bottle. I really enjoy it. It really has done a lot to help the hyperpigmentation here in my smile lines and on my chin. I have a couple of scars from eczema. Well, the medication darkens my skin, so I would highly recommend this. It's very lightweight. Just sinks right into the skin. I just put a little bit in between my fingers, press it in, and then let that sit for about 3 to 5 minutes before I go on with the rest of my skincare routine. It's good for normal to combination skin, and it doesn't mention anything about oily skin, but it does say that it is oil free, and that is proven to be 62 times more potent than vitamin C. I don't know about that, but I love it, and it does work. Next, I want to tell you about the Alginate Genius Ultimate Anti-Aging Cream. I use the Alginate Collagen Liquid, and I purchased the kit. It was during the holidays last year, that had the gel and this cream and an eye cream. I had other moisturizers that I had to go through before I started using this, and I have used quite a bit. Actually, it's just about empty, and I absolutely love this moisturizer. It is so good, and it has really helped to plump my skin. I like the way it is kind of, it may look thick, but it's more kind of slightly like whipped. And I use this at night, and sometimes I use it in the daytime too. If I'm not wearing makeup, I will use this moisturizer during the day. It kind of has a nice, it's funny because it has a slight sweet smell, but it's nothing overpowering, and I really like it. I was using my Yves Rocher plumping moisturizer, and this is giving it a pretty good run for its money. The Yves Rocher is less expensive. This is a 1 ounce jar, and it's $75, and the I think 2.5 ounce jar is $122. Some of the ingredients is hyaluronic acid, plant collagen, and microalgae to visibly brighten, hydrate, firm, lift, and improve elasticity and smooth fine lines and wrinkles for youthful glow. So again, I've really been enjoying this. I actually purchased another kit that had this 1 ounce jar in it. So it's something that I think I will continue to purchase. Here is another moisturizer that I have really been enjoying. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I'm just about done with it. I do like this under makeup. I don't use this at night, and I use it also when I'm not wearing makeup too. It smells delicious. It smells so good. It is sweet. It does have a sweet smell, but it's really thin, and it's kind of like, it's watery. It says juice, and I believe they claim that it is 64% watermelon juice, and it has antioxidants and hyaluronic acid to nourish your skin. It's good for normal, combination, and oily skin. The next product I want to tell you about is also from Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. This was all the rave all over the YT, and I believe it still is, and I truly enjoy it too. It's very hydrating. Pardon me. It's very hydrating. Talk about ultrafine mist. It is good for normal, combination, and oily skin. It says that it is made of 62% watermelon juice, and it targets dullness, dryness, redness, and uneven texture. This lived in my purse when I was out of town. I took it with me, and I really enjoyed it. I have not used a whole bunch of it because it does actually live in my purse. I don't use it at home a lot, but I do like to have it with me when I am out and on the go. Pick this up and give it a try. I think you'll really enjoy it. And it's not too sweet. The watermelon scent is nice, but it's not overpowering. I have one more moisturizer, and it is the Dermalogica Dramatic Skin Recovery SPF 50 moisturizer. I actually picked this up during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty a few months back, and I thought I was just getting an SPF, but I do enjoy this because I can wear this under my makeup and it doesn't make me purple. Now when you first look at it, you will kind of see the purple, but it does rub all the way to clear. And it's not heavy, and it doesn't smell bad. And I really have been happy with this. So when I am not wearing makeup, like I said, I'll use my other moisturizers. And if I'm not going out, I don't really use this. And this is also pretty pricey for a moisturizer with SPF 50, but it is really good. The Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Facial Oil. Get it. It's fantastic. I really love this. It is pure marula oil. It has omega-6 and omega-9, and it hydrates while restoring a youthful glow. You only need just a couple of drops of this. It's not very heavy. It's not really heavy at all. And you can, I said this before, you can feel it. You can see it, but you don't feel it. That's how it is for me anyway. And it doesn't have an odor, and just a couple of drops and press it into your skin. What I do is use it at the end of my skincare routine, just to lock everything in that I've put on my serums and moisturizers. And so I know you guys have seen this all over the Instagram and all over YouTube, and I absolutely love it, and I'm going to continue to purchase it. I have just a couple of body care things, and can you guess? Can you guess what it's going to be? The Boom Boom Cream. You know, the first couple of times I used this, because I had a little one, and I really love the smell of it. Everybody, you know, your skin doesn't feel dry, but it doesn't feel like super moisturized or anything, but it actually does moisturize your skin. I found that it does for me. I have eczema, and sometimes I get those funny little chicken bumps on my back and on the back of my arms, and it has been helping me. And I like to also use this with another body cream. It smells so good. And it says that it's supposed to help with firming and, you know, tightening your skin, making it more firm. I don't know if I've seen any of that, but I'm gonna keep using it. It might. The other body butter that I like to use is the L'Occitane milk concentrate, and this also has helped my eczema a lot. And there's not a lot of creams that I can use that don't irritate my eczema, and these two don't irritate my eczema. This smells delicious too. Yeah, it does smell good. And it's like it's whipped. Now this is like a whipped cream almost. And this gives you that glide, right? But it also sinks into the skin too. It's extremely moisturizing, and it smells so good. Sometimes I use them separately, and sometimes I use them together. I have an empty one of this, and I just mix them together. I have a small one like that I take with me to the gym. So one more body care thing, and this is the Sol de Janeiro hand cream. I picked this up at the last Sephora, the fall Sephora sale, and it came in the big kit with this and the body wash. I don't really care for the body wash very much, but I do like this. I have, again, with my eczema, it plagues my life, people. What can I tell you? Certain lotions and soaps will irritate the eczema on the back of my hands, and I was hoping when I got this that, you know, it wouldn't irritate my eczema. I love my L'Occitane body cream, but their hand cream, it irritates my hands. So I'm really glad that I came across this, because it smells just like, you know, the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum stuff, and Boom Boom, it's the correct pronunciation. And one more skincare thing, which is for the lips. Of course, everybody knows about the Laneige sleeping mask. It's fantastic. I wear it throughout the day. I did purchase, they also have a one in a squeezy tube. Oh, actually, here it is right here. I prefer this over that, but this is great if you're out and about and you don't have to worry about carrying around a jar. It's really great. Put it on your lips before you go to bed. Your lips will be happy and moisturized and plump and juicy when you wake up in the morning. I just wanted to share with you guys a few of my recommendations. I was trying not to recommend any new stuff that's just come out or anything, because I don't want to try to tell you to go buy something that I haven't used yet. Guess what? I'm going to break this video up into 3 parts. So we've already finished the skincare recommendations. I'm going to do my makeup recommendations and then my wish list separately. I don't want this video to be 100 years long, and everybody is not interested in the skincare, and some people are only interested in the skincare and others interested in makeup. You get what I'm saying. I hope it was helpful. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know down in the comments if you use any of these products, if you're thinking about buying them. If you have any questions about them, then just let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, evening, night, wherever you are. And forever, Viva, you're pretty, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.